Roll sound, roll camera, and action. Welcome to the Starr Justice Show. We are going to make jellyfishes. So the first thing that you need is a cup and pipe cleaners, glue, googly eyes, and paint. First we need to paint it, then we need to wait until it dries, and then we can put googly eyes. First we need to, and then put the pipe cleaners for the antennas. And after we're all done. Let's get started. Black and white makes gray, and that's what I'm making. And now I made a nice colored green with using this dark green, this light blue, and white. We can do this together. Bet you feel better when we're dancing. Yeah, yeah. Pa 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 la 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 da da la 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 da da la da summer. What? I have a great idea. Let's sprinkle some sparkles on our jellyfish. Oh, that's a great idea. We got the sparkles from Dollarama. If you put the sparkles on the ground and you pull it, and if it gets very messy, then your mom and dad will get very mad, and then they need to vacuum it up. So first I'm gonna use the color red and sprinkle it on the red area. I'm gonna put it everywhere. And it looks so cool. Put it every. Go. Put a lot on there. And I think I know how to put it to purple. Wow! My jellyfish is so glittery at the top. You're putting your eyes right now. Why? Oh, that's because I want it to be ready, but then I just need to do the wavy legs. This is what mine looks so far. This is how mine looks so far. And it's a rainbow jellyfish. And we're letting it dry. And mine is a rainbow jellyfish too. Time to let it dry. So you need, for this part, you need to poke pipe cleaners in and ask an adult to help you. See, now we put the legs in. Now we have rainbow jellyfish. The legs. So this is what you do. First, paint the plastic cups. Then put sparkles on top. Glue on the googly eyes. Wait 1 hour for everything to dry. Ask your parents to stick pipe cleaners in the cups. And that's it. Did you like our video? If you did, click the thumbs up button, the bell button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Starr Justice Show.